Yes, good afternoon, everyone. We are going to start today's English class. So before we begin, first of all, we are going to discuss the answers of the comprehension passage that you got yesterday, the day, last working day, and then we'll discuss the further things.
Ma'am, I don't have comprehension booklet.
Peter, you need to buy. The students who don't have the comprehension booklets, those are available. Please go and buy them from the shop where you used to buy the books from, right? Because you can't skip that. You need, जहाँ से books मिलती है बेटा, you can go and buy from there, right? Okay. Right, so the passage was about the parrots. I'll quickly read out the passage once and then we'll discuss. The parrot is a very colorful, attractive and noisy bird which is found in gardens, jungles and forests all over the world. Some of its species are expert in copying the human voice, but this happens only when they are kept in captivity. So can anybody tell me the meaning of captivity? If you know, you can write it in the chat box. Obviously, when you are solved it, आपने जरूर in difficult words के meaning जरूर देखे होंगे बेटा. Simran, yes, unmute yourself, Simran. What is the meaning of the word captivity?
Ma'am, gulam जैसे.
Yes, to keep someone in, किसी को बंद करके रखना कहीं पे. Yes, ताकि वो freely घूम नहीं सके. जैसे birds को आप रखते हैं cages में बंद कर देते हैं, तो अगर आपको suppose कोई room में बंद कर देता है, तो you will be in captivity. So किसी को किसी चीज में बंद करके रख लेना. You don't allow that person or that thing to move freely. You can't move freely. आपको एक ही जगह पे बंद रहना पड़ता है. That is called captivity. The parrot is a favorite pet, like to be tamed for its grace, manners, and attractive appearance. Appearance, what we have done many times. Appearance which देखने में वो बहुत सुंदर लगता है parrots, और usually लोग इसीलिए उनको as a they keep them in the cage. Most parrots like to eat vegetable matter, including seeds, berries, and nuts. Some eat pollen, nectar, and insects as well. So what they do eat, they have told you कि वो क्या-क्या खाते हैं. Usually वो vegetable matter means vegetable खाते हैं या vegetables वाली चीजें खाते हैं. Like seeds हो गई, berries हो गई, nuts हो गए. लेकिन कुछ parrots जो है वो pollen is something you get out of plants. So pollen, nectar is the juice of the flowers, or insects भी खा लेते हैं कुछ parrots. So the tongues of the parrots are short, thick and fleshy and help the bird to hold a seed or a nut with the lower part. जो उनकी tongue होती है वो short बहुत, they don't have a long tongue, उनकी tongue छोटी सी होती है और बड़ी fleshy means it's quite fleshy means skin हो, flesh is skin. तो fleshy होना मतलब बहुत मोटी skin वाली, thick सी होती है उनकी tongues. So some species of parrots are in danger of extinction because they are fast losing their habitat, and many of them are being exported as pets to Europe and North America. Now, who will tell me the meaning of the word of extinction? The meaning of the word extinction? Yes.
जो खत्म होता है.
Yes, जो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो रहे हैं, जो finish हो जाएंगे. Extinction means finish हो जाना. So they are in the danger of extinction. मतलब वो बहुत आने वाले सालों में parrot जो हैं वो finish हो जाएंगे, extinct हो जाएंगे. Because of their fast losing habitat. What is habitat? You must have read this in EBS or science. Habitat.
Natural living place.
Ma'am, natural living place.
Is this the way? Is this the way? Do I tell you to speak like this? Either you raise your hand or you write in the chat box. Yes, natural जहाँ पे naturally वो रहते हैं habitat, जहाँ पे उनकी natural surroundings है, जहाँ पे वो रहना comfortable होते हैं. That is a habitat, right? So आगे वो कह रहा है, how many of the parrots can manage to imitate human speech has remained a big mystery even to the scientists. Now write down in the chat box what is the meaning of the word mystery. What is mystery? Yes. Either you can raise your hand in this using that sign. Yes, what is mystery? That means the students who have done the passage, actually they'll be able to tell me the meaning. अगर आपने passage कर लिया और इन words के meaning देखे भी ना कर लिया, then there's no point of doing these passages. Until and unless you know the meaning of each and every word in the passage, what is the use? आपको extinction का मतलब नहीं पता, आपको captivity का नहीं पता, तो how are you going to answer the questions? Yes. Yes, very good. Rajveer have Shivansh, very good. So mystery means anything which is not known to anyone. Mystery जिसके बारे में किसी को पता नहीं चल पा रहा है, that thing is called a mystery. वो mystery होती है, right? So mystery word जो है, अगर आप cartoons देखते हैं या shows देखते हैं कुछ animated, उनमें mystery word बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है. If you have seen those, that I guess. So next word that I want you to write the answer for is, yes, पहेली हिंदी में बोलते हैं, very good. Imitate. What is imitate? This word you have done in class 4 also. Quickly, what is the meaning of the word imitate? Very good, Dakshi. Yes, copy करना. Yes.
repeat, please.
Imitate word means to copy someone. आपको पता है कि जो पैरट्स होते हैं, जो स्पेशली वो पैरट्स जो हम लोग कुछ लोगों ने घर पे रखे होते हैं, वो अपने जो ऑनर्स हैं, जो उनकी फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, उनको कॉपी कर लेते हैं, राइट? सो इमिटेट करना मतलब उनकी वॉइस कॉपी करना. इन ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटीज सम बर्ड्स लर्न टू टॉक इन द सेम वे एज ह्यूमन बेबीज. सो बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस, प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन्स चांसेस, किसी चीज के होने के चांसेस. तो कहते हैं कि काफी ज्यादा चांसेस ऐसे हैं कि बर्ड्स जो हैं वो किस तरह बोलना सीखते हैं, जैसे हमारे अपने ह्यूमन बींग्स के छोटे बच्चे बोलना सीखते हैं, जब वो अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलते हुए देखते हैं, उनके पीछे पीछे अपने लिप्स को मूव करके बोलना सीखते हैं. सिमिलरली जो पैरट्स हैं, वो भी चांसेस यही हैं कि वो भी उसी तरह से हम लोगों को कॉपी करना सीखते हैं. दे बिकम ग्रेटली अटैच्ड टू केज में अपने घर में रख रहे हैं, सारा दिन आप उसके आसपास घूम रहे हैं, तो वो आपके साथ अटैच हो जाता है, उसको आपके साथ प्यार हो जाता है. एंड देन इट स्टार्ट्स कॉपिंग द साउंड्स व्हाट दे हियर. और फिर वो धीरे धीरे अपने आसपास रहने वाले लोगों की जो आवाजें सुनते हैं, जो बोलना सुनते हैं, वो उनको कॉपी करने लग जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ दे लर्न टू कॉपी द ह्यूमन वॉइसेस. Now, it is, however, doubtful that if they understand what they are saying. अब ये चीज जो है वो डाउटफुल है कि क्या वो जो बोलते हैं, ह्यूमन बींग्स को देख के कॉपी करके जो बोलते हैं, क्या उन्हें वो एक्चुअल में बात समझ भी आती है? इस बात का अभी तक दैट इज डाउटफुल. उसकी कोई श्योरिटी नहीं है कि जो वो बोल रहे हैं वो सिर्फ कॉपी कर रहे हैं, एक्चुअल में उनको वो क्या बोल रहे हैं इस बात की भी समझ है. सो दिस वाज ऑल द पैसेज अबाउट, एंड द पैसेज वाज क्वाइट इजी. Now, when you're doing this comprehension passage, last year also we have discussed comprehension passage. जब आपने एक बार अच्छे से read कर लिया, उसमें जो difficult words हैं वो आपने guess करने हैं, because in the time of exam you won't be having the dictionary with you, right? उस टाइम आपके पास डिक्शनरी तो नहीं होती है. आप उसमें कोई वर्ड देखो जो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, उसे आप कैसे करेंगे? वहाँ पे डिक्शनरी नहीं है, तो आपको guess करना पड़ेगा पूरा सेंटेंस, उसके आगे पीछे read करके then you will be able to guess कि इसका meaning क्या हो सकता है, right? So you have tried to mute yourself. The next thing you have to do is कि उसके बाद आपने questions read करने हैं. Now when you read the questions, I told you कि हर question में keyword होता है. Keyword means a very important, it can be one word or two words. Better somebody is unmuted. Yes, it can be a one word or two words. Those are called the keywords. उन्हें हम keywords बोलते हैं. So आपने उन keywords को, हर क्वेश्चन के जो keywords हैं उनको माइंड में देख लेना, अच्छे से समझ लेना कि इसमें keywords क्या हैं. And then for searching the answer, और उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ढूंढने के लिए उन्हीं keywords को आपने जाके पैसेज में ढूंढना है. जहां पे वो सेम वर्ड्स आ रहे होंगे, इसका मतलब कि आंसर आपका वहीं पे कहीं पे है. So I hope you remember, this was how I told you to solve the comprehension passage last year also. Right, now the first question that we have is, please everybody, do you want me to share? Just hold on. Right, so this is the passage. Okay, so the first question is, if you don't have the booklets, you can look at the screen. Give 2 reasons responsible for the imminent extinction of parrots. Now, those who have solved the questions, you must be knowing the meaning of imminent. Who will tell me the meaning of imminent first? Obviously, if you have solved the question, आपको उसका meaning आपने देखा ही होगा dictionary में. Can anybody tell me the meaning of imminent here? Yes? Nobody? Then how did you solve the question? How did you solve the question if you don't know the meaning of this word? Okay, so what can be the keywords? What can, very good Krishant, too fast, which is very near. Imminent का मतलब होता है जो बहुत जल्दी फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, हम उसको बोलते हैं imminent. Very good, right? So now what are the keywords? अगर मैं बोलूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन में keywords ढूंढने हैं, what are the keywords here? Quickly write in the chat box. Important words इसमें कौन से हैं इस क्वेश्चन में? Yes. Nobody? Very good, Prashant. Very good. Extinction word here is the main word. So अब आपने जब extinction word यहाँ पे choose कर लिया है, इसके बाद आप what you are going to do, you are going to search for the same word in the passage. और passage में जाएंगे और passage में extinction word जहाँ पे भी है, इसका मतलब आपका आंसर उसके आसपास ही है कहीं. So I'd like somebody to unmute himself and tell me, raise your hands and tell me the exact answer. By that time, others can search कि ये वाला word कहाँ पे आ रहा है. Not extension, it is extinction. Yes, raise your hand. Who is going to tell me the answer for this? Yes, nobody. I'm not getting the response.
Can I?
Beta, you can write your name in the chat box, right? All right. Who was it? Who said can I?
I'm Simran.
Can I?
I'm Simran.
Now everybody will start saying can I, but they'll not write down their names. Girisha, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Girisha. Yes. Girisha, you're not quite. Anand, please mute yourself. Girisha, you're not very much audible, beta. Can you come again, please? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
They are fast.
Aryan, mute yourself. Yes, beta.
They are fast losing their habitat, and second reason is many of them are being exported as pets to Europe and North America.
Very good. Now, what mistake do you think you have done, Girisha? I have always told you, bete, whenever you are writing the answers in the for the comprehension passage, the main thing that you need to take care of is you never start your answer with a pronoun. Pronoun से कभी भी नहीं करना, they, he, she, it से कभी नहीं करना. Even if वो आपका आंसर जो पैसेज में दे रखा है वो pronoun से start हो रहा है, but आपने ये ध्यान रखना है that when you are writing the answer, your answer must always start with a noun. आपका आंसर हमेशा noun से start होना चाहिए, right? Second thing is कि अब आप now, because you people are in class 5 now, you're growing up, कई बार हमें passages में answers directly नहीं मिलते हैं. This thing I told you in class 4 also. So आपके क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली आपने आंसर को थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है इफ इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? क्योंकि जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन को पूछा गया उसी तरह से आंसर करना है बेटा. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो किसी और ही लैंग्वेज में आप आंसर दे रहे हैं. आंसर में भी करेक्ट, इट माइट बी करेक्ट, बट द थिंग इज कि वो उसी सेंस में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. Now the question here was give two reasons responsible for the imminent extinction of parrots. So हमने extinction word ढूंढा हमें. So the extinction word is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th जो line है passage की उसमें है यहाँ पे are in danger of extinction. So हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Some species of parrots are in danger of extinction because first reason is यहाँ से आप start करेंगे because they are losing fast. They are fast losing their habitat. This is number 1, right? Number 2 आप second point बना के लिख सकते हैं. Many parrots are being exported as pets to Europe and North America. So this way you will write down the answer. Either you can write in 2 different points में लिख सकते हैं or you can write in continuation also. Right? Let us move to question number 2. Question number 2 says, what has remained a big mystery even to the scientists? Now, what is the keyword here? Quickly write down the keyword first. Very good, Vedansh. Very good. The keyword here is mystery. Mystery word हमने ढूंढना है पैसेज में जाके क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में mystery के बारे में बात हो रही है. So mystery word हमारा कहाँ पे जाके आ रहा है? Right. इसके बाद हमने जो अभी आंसर लिखा है उससे नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में ही हमारा mystery word आ रहा है. That means हमारा जो आंसर है for the second question वो भी कहीं पे होगा. Right. So question is what has remained a big mystery even to the scientist. Who's going to answer this? Who's going to give me the answer for this question? No, can I? May I hota hai, I've told you so many times. And secondly, please write your names in the chat box who wants to tell the answer. Dharya. Yes, Dharya. Unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Yes. Others will mute themselves. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, answer is, ma'am, the parrot is a favorite pet, like to be tamed for its grace,
No.
manners, and attractive appearance.
I'm asking about the second question, Dharya, and the question is, what has remained the biggest mystery? Saksham Gupta, keep yourself muted, bete, if you want to attend the class. Yes, Krishang, unmute yourself and tell me the answer for the second one.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, iska
Yes.
hai, the ability of parrots to imitate the human speech has remained a big mystery even to the scientists.
All right, now the answer is correct, Krishang. But when you are writing this answer, beta, ये answer देखो बिल्कुल as it is आपने copy कर दिया, right? So मैंने आपको बोला था कि थोड़ा सा answer को कई बार हमें change भी करना होता है. I'll show you. Yes. So the answer is, if you can see here on the screen, just hold on. Okay, so the answer is how many of the parrots can manage to imitate human speech has remained a big mystery to the scientists. Although Krishang, your answer was correct, but this is what I told you कि जब हमें question का form जिस तरह से होता है हमें आदित्य संधू accordingly हमें थोड़ा सा answer को कई बार change करना होता है. Otherwise the answer was correct, right? So the third question that we have is, just give me a minute. Yes. So the third question is, why is parrot a favorite pet? Yes. Now again, the keyword here is favorite pet. यहाँ पे two words को हम keywords ले सकते हैं, favorite and pet. Now you need to see where these words are given. Yes. Hargun will tell the answer for this question. Yes, Hargun.
Ma'am, the answer is the parrot is the same because they like to be tamed for its grace, manners, and attractive appearance.
Attractive appearance. Yes. So इसमें भी थोड़ा सा हरगुन हमें change करने की जरूरत है. हमें simple लिख देना है. The parrot. Why is parrot a favorite pet? The parrot is a favorite pet because of भी लिख सकते हैं, because of its grace, manners, and appearance. या for its grace, manners, and appearance. Both ways it is correct. The parrot is a favorite pet because of its grace, manners, and appearance, or the way I have written here on the screen, the parrot is a favorite pet for its grace, manners, and appearance. Right? Let us move further. The next question is, complete the following sentences. The first one is, the parrots become greatly attached to a person and start. Now, whenever you have to complete the sentence, usko ढूंढिए. ये same sentence कहीं पे दिया होगा. Yes, very good. Where is that? कहाँ पे है ये? Who will tell me where is this sentence? I want somebody else also to answer, bete. Kanika, yes, Kanika. Yes, Kanika.
Ma'am, कौन सा question?
You don't know which question I'm asking? Then how did you write down?
Ma'am, complete the following sentence का first है copying,
Yes.
copying sound they hear.
All right. So the first sentence is, the parrots become greatly attached to a person and start attached हो जाते हैं और क्या करते हैं? They start copying sounds they hear. वो जो sound सुनते हैं वो copy करना start कर देते हैं. All right. Next question is, complete the sentences में. Jasmine, read out the next question and tell me the answer also. Jasmine, unmute yourself. Yes.
Pushpendra Banga.
Jasmine, you're not audible.
Children enjoy hearing the parrot.
Children enjoy hearing the parrot. Yes. Aage, what is the answer for this? Yes, Jasmine, what is the answer? Quickly search for the answer. Do you have the booklet with you?
Ma'am, yes.
हाँ जी, फिर बताइए बेटा. You must have done then.
It repeat their words.
Children enjoy hearing the parrot repeat their words. Yes, very good. Repeat their words. Very nice. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Sparsh, unmute yourself. Read out the next question. Sparsh. Sparsh, switch on your camera and unmute yourself.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Give me the reason. Reason why you don't know? Sparsh, why don't you know?
have book.
You don't have the book. Can you see the passage on the screen? Can you see the passage on the? हाँ जी. तो चलिए फिर next question read कीजिए. What is the next question? स्पर्श जल्दी से बोलिए. Read कीजिए. What is the next question? कहाँ तक कर लिया हमने already?
When children enjoy reading parrot.
हाँ जी. इसके बाद next question read कीजिए स्पर्श. Sparsh, you have just to read from the screen, nothing else. हाँ जी, read कीजिए.
Silent.
Silent का question तो read कीजिए. करना क्या है? Read the question first. What is the question?
Find the word from the passive which are opposite meaning to the following.
Yes. So you have to find out the words which mean the opposite, and the word should be from the passage only. Yes, bete. Silent word have first word. Sparsh, now look out for the word for this opposite of this. Sparsh, quickly. Opposite ढूंढेंगे जल्दी से. By the time I'm writing.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute. Why you can tell? I've asked Sparsh. Sparsh, the passage is in front of you. मुझे जरा जल्दी से बोल के बताइए. Please be quick, better don't waste the time, Sparsh. It is a very easy word. This shows how much attentive you people are. And please don't give me this excuse that you don't have the competition booklets. You have enough time. आप लोगों को बहुत time मिल चुका हुआ है. अब please stop doing it. इतना time मिल गया. Why you don't have the booklets with you? Beta, if you don't have it, go and get a new one. That's it. You can't give me the same excuse for the whole year. Yes, so the opposite of silent here was noisy. Now, soundly is no word, and that is no word which is given here. Please, whosoever has written this. Now, please, everybody look at the, yes, okay, let me discuss this, then we'll move to the board. Next question, skinny. What is the opposite of the word skinny? Skinny का meaning पहले पता होगा तभी आप opposite ढूंढ पाएंगे ना? Yes. Skinny. Very good, Tanika. Your answer is correct. Can anybody tell me the meaning of? Yes, Sakshan Jalota, please unmute yourself and can you please tell me what is the meaning of the word skinny? Sakshan Jalota, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, thick.
Saksham, I think I'm audible. Yes. What is the next question, Hanur? D part. This shows how much attentive you people are in the class. The students who are not able to answer or at least read the question from the screen itself shows that आपको पता ही नहीं है class में क्या चल रहा है. Very good. Vanshika Bansal, can you please read the next question?
Question पूछा पर ठीक था.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hanji, please be quick, Vanshika. We don't have time.
Good looking.
Read the question first, Vanshika.
find words from the passage which are similar in the meaning.
So what is the first word?
Good looking,
And what is the answer for that?
attractive,
Attractive. Yes, good looking जो person होता है उसको हम attractive person कहते हैं. Right? Next word. Harshita Gupta will tell me the next word. Read out the next word and tell me the answer, Harshita.
ma'am,
Yes,
copy,
Copy. And what is the answer for that? Harshita, we discussed the same word. What is a similar meaning word here in the passage for that?
ma'am, copying,
Yes, copy. Ains.
ma'am,
Yes, Ains.
ma'am,
Imitate. Yes. So the same meaning word for copy is imitate. Harshita, we discussed this particular word in the class. Even then you don't know it. Very nice. Right.
excuse me, ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am,
Yes.
मैम जो कॉपी है ना हम उसका रिपीट भी लिख सकते हैं.
No, that is something different, beta. Particular word यहाँ copy का imitate ही है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the next very important thing, hold your pencils in your hands. What I'm gonna tell you. Yes. Okay, now as you can see on the board, I've written here opposite and same meaning word. So, अगर कोई आपको बोलता है कि इसका opposite लिखना है, तो one other word for opposite is antonyms. Antonyms, please write down. Opposites को हम antonyms भी बोलते हैं. So if anybody asks you, write down the antonym for this word. So don't get confused. Antonym का मतलब होता है opposite. You need to learn these words, but you are growing up now. You are in class 5. You must know कि antonym क्या होते हैं and same meaning word को और क्या बोलते हैं हम. This too you have done in class 4 also. I've told you.
Ma'am, can I?
No, just write down in the chat box. Why to shout? No need to
Ma'am,
shout.
similar words.
Who is this? Who was it? I told you to write down the answer in the chat box. Synonyms, very good. So this word we have done earlier also. So a same word, write down the booklet पे लिख सकते हैं because this kind of questions are always asked in comprehension passages में इस तरह के question put किए जाते हैं. Opposite एंटोनिम बोलते हैं, सिनोनिम नहीं बोलना इसको, सिनोनिम. आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ व्हाट. यहाँ नोट डाउन. Right. Okay. I hope you have written this. Now, what you need to do is today, and I'm going to ask these things whenever I feel like. Then don't tell me कि मैम ये कब आपने करवाया था. That will show कि how much attentive people are in the class. Now the next thing is that today in the homework you'll be doing this. Yes, in today's homework you'll be doing passage number 2.